Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to activate Microsoft Office 2024 using your email address and Microsoft account. I'll guide you through the process step by step, so please follow along until the end. Let's get started. Go to Files and click on Account. Now, look at the Product Information section. You will see that Microsoft Office is showing activation required. Click on Sign In. Enter your email address. Click Next. Enter your password of email. Click Sign In. After you enter your email password, you will receive a pop-up message showing a number, such as 74. Now, go to your phone and open the Microsoft Authenticator app. Enter the number 74 to approve the sign-in and continue activating Office 2024. Click Yes. Wait for the Microsoft account sign-in to complete. Then, check the Product Information section to confirm whether Microsoft Office 2024 has been successfully activated. If you don't see the activation status, close Microsoft Office and reopen it. Then, check the Product Information section again. Now, you can see that Microsoft Office has been successfully activated using your email address. Thank you for watching my video. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.